In the heart of a quaint little town, where the cobblestone streets are lined with blooming flowers and the air carries the sweet scent of home-baked goods, a special day was unfolding. The kittens, known for their culinary skills and warm hearts, were hosting their annual feast. The sun was high, casting a golden glow on the preparations. The long wooden table in the town square was adorned with colorful dishes filled with noodles, crispy chips, and buttery popcorn. The kittens, with their soft fur shimmering in the sunlight, were bustling about, adding final touches to their beloved dishes. Today they had invited some special guests, the piglets, from the neighboring farm. As the piglets trotted in, their snouts twitching with excitement, the kittens welcomed them with open paws. "Welcome, friends. Join us for a feast like no other." Mia, a fluffy gray kitten, called out with a purr. The piglets, led by their enthusiastic leader, Porky, squealed with delight. "We've never seen so much food. Look at those noodles," Porky exclaimed, his eyes wide with wonder. The kittens giggled, their tails flicking with joy. "Wait till you taste them," said Whiskers, a mischievous tabby. "But first, let's start with the popcorn. Extra buttery, just how we like it." The feast began with a flurry of sounds. The kittens and piglets munched, crunched, slurped, and chewed with gusto. Every bite was a symphony of deliciousness and laughter. "These noodles are amazing," snorted Piglet Petunia, twirling them around her snout. "I didn't know pasta could be this fun. And these chips, so crispy," put Milo, the smallest kitten, as he crunched down on a particularly big one. As they ate, the bond between the kittens and piglets grew stronger. They shared stories, laughed at funny anecdotes, and discovered how much they had in common. "Did you know," said Luna, a wise old cat, "that true happiness comes from sharing moments like these? It's not just about the food, but the company we keep." Porky nodded, his eyes shining with understanding. "You're right. This feast is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of friendship and joy." The day wore on, filled with more munching, crunching, and heartfelt conversations. The sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange. As the last rays of daylight faded, the kittens and piglets gathered close, basking in the warmth of their newfound friendship. Paws and hooves intertwined, they sat in a circle, sharing the last of the popcorn. "This has been the best day ever," said Mia, her voice filled with contentment. "Here's to many more feasts together," said Porky, raising his snout in a toast. "Because in this small town, we've found something truly special. We've found family." As they all cheered and hugged, the night sky twinkled with stars, bearing witness to the magic of their bond. In this quaint little town, the Feast of Friendship would be remembered forever, a testament to the simple joys and profound connections that bring us together.